All right, we are going to do the basic question in trig ratios. We're going to identify the sine, the cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant, and cotangent of a right triangle. And according to our roadmap, the angle we're interested in working with is the angle Z. It didn't tell us that on here, but we're going to do this for angle Z. And what we have is, I need to find sine Z, cosine of Z, tangent of Z. We're going to find the cosecant of Z, the secant of Z, and the cotangent of Z. And I'm putting these next to each other because the cosecant is the reciprocal of sine. So if I find the sine, I can flip the fraction over and get the cosecant. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to label the sides of this triangle based on the angle Z. The opposite leg is here. I should have actually identified my hypotenuse first. Hypotenuse is always across from the right angle, and it's always the longest of the three sides. The legs are your opposite and your adjacent. The adjacent is the 21. Okay, so for angle Z, sine of Z is going to be opposite over hypotenuse. Remember the so in SOHCAHTOA. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Okay, that reduces to 4/5. That's the sine of Z. Cosecant is the reciprocal of that, so it's 5/4. Cosine of Z is the adjacent over the hypotenuse. That reduces to 3/5. Secant of Z is going to be the reciprocal of the cosine, so we have 5/3. Tangent is opposite leg over adjacent leg, so 28/21, which is going to reduce to 4/3. And the cotangent is the reciprocal of the tangent, so it's 3/4. And that is the answer, or answers.